Mother's Day. More on Happy Mother's Day. More Mama. Chup chup.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. I love you.
So, ayan, Happy Mother's Day po sa inyo, ma. Kamusta po kayo dyan sa Pilipinas? Sana naalagaan yung mabuti yung kalusugan nyo dyan. Dito lang naman po kami, sa mga anak mo, na handang tumulong sa'yo. Hindi ka namin papabayaan dyan. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to. At huwag masyadong isipin yung mga problema, natural lang yan. Siyempre, habang nabubuhay tayo, may mga dumadating na problema. At kapag nasolve naman yun, may darating pa rin na panibago. Kaya laban lang, sabi nga niyan laban lang. So yun po, ma. Salamat po sa lahat. Happy Mother's Day po. Tulog pa ulit. Malamig dito sa New Zealand ngayon. Sige po, bye bye.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. We love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Happy Mother's Day, ma. Siyempre, thank you for all your endless love, care, and sacrifices. Today, we celebrate you and all the joy you bring into our lives. Wishing you a day filled with laughter, love, and cherished moments. You deserve all the happiness in the world, Mama. Love you.
Hi, ma'am. Today I just want to greet you a happy Mother's Day. I just wanted to acknowledge and appreciate all your effort and sacrifices that you've been to us, that you've done rather to us children. Also, thank you for your presence as always. That make us even stronger for everyday battle in life. And just wanted to praise all mothers around the world, especially you, raising a beautiful, kind of gorgeous, pretty gay. With that, I just want to say, of course, I love you. Just think of every single day that we value as you are and as we today. Ayan, thank you.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Sorry kung umalis ako dyan. Pasensya na kung wala ako dyan. Pero ma, pag nakauwi ako, babawi ako sa iyo, promise. At mag-iingat ka palagi, ma. Mag-iingat ka palagi, ma. Alagaan mo yung health mo. Yun lang. Love you, ma. Happy Mother's Day.
Hey, ma. Happy Mother's Day. Salamat sa lahat. Dahil nandiyan ka pa rin, tumutulong sa amin. Mahal na mahal namin, yun lang. Kaya lang, medyo tayo. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang. Tulong-tulong. Happy Mother's Day, I love you.
Hello, Mama. Happy Mother's Day. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Nita!
Happy Mother's Day po, Mamita. I love you. God bless. Always pretty. Happy Mother's Day to all.
Tita, Happy Mother's Day. God bless.
Mother's Day, Meet. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Happy Mother's Day, Tita Chris.
Hello po, tita. Happy Mother's Day po. Stay healthy po. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly. like you did sometimes, seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. You were the